Oh, I found safe house somehow. Hi, man.
Oh.
Oh! How does this happen every time?
Bro, he bloody snuck up on you, huh? I feel bad.
This happened last time with there also.
Oh my god. I've been just camping outside and these idiots open the door, man. So I can't even enter the game. What the hell?
Good.
So girl, I will honestly come to your house, rape your ass and then leave. Okay,
Perfect.
One
I
sec.
think the girl wants that.
Coming. At least I'll try it.
Bro, who is Smart and Carl? These guys
That's
look
what
so
I'm saying.
similar. Bro, Smart is so cute, yeah.
Volan.
Oh, Chop is dead. Oh, hi,
Everyone is
man.
in but me.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Why are you so elongated? I don't remember you being this long last time.
Bro, I don't think I can join. It says your position in the line.
Wait, I'm gonna take a screenshot. You look so long.
Is it private?
No, it isn't private. You don't. It's
Josh,
just.
8 people are allowed in the game and there's already 8 people, so wait in the queue until you can join.
Stop farting
wait
into
there.
the mic.
Hey, there's somebody in here.
Yeah, it's Smart and Carl. Go meet them.
Who is small?
Look at them. It's Smart and it's Carl.
What?
Look.
What the heck?
They're so cute.
For chance, I will near safe house.
Where
No.
are Bandicam?
Yeah.
Oi! Chalk! Come to Nitin.
Hi. Kill Smart and Carl. Kill Smart and Carl. It's okay.
We let him kill Chalk.
I sprinted.
Oh, we
out of
lived.
this one.
It doesn't matter anyway. He went.
Bro, he just sneaks up on us. I hate him.
Oh, he was actually crouching, bro. I saw him.
Yeah, bro. Even the first time Nitin died, he was
Bro,
upon him, bro.
Bro.
That man on, he still.
Come safe house again, same strat.
please, bro.
Come safe house, but
Sure,
right
come,
now
come.
come shop right now.
I don't think
Don't have enough
Smart
money.
and Carl are leaving anytime soon.
He said, yeah, Duke, you just stay out, buddy. Go watch Instagram reels or something.
Or can you guys leave, please?
No.
We're not leaving a whole server to migrate to another server, buddy.
Which will probably be full too.
Please.
So
Good
in the
night.
game,
He locked him out.
Who's out?
Kid. He was walking up and this guy just closes the
take-
door on
take-
him.
Take the radio and check.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, where are you all?
We're at the safe house.
We're on the way to observation tower.
Yeah.
Come, go to observe.
Yeah, we'll be there in like 1 minute.
Bro, I don't know where I'm going.
Vivu, get up.
Walk until you're near tower. We don't come near safe house. It's near safe house.
It's over, it's over, it's over. We're so dead.
Shit, Kit, how do we reach electrical?
It's diagonal from here, same way. Oh,
He's
shit.
after me. He's after me. He's after me. I'm dead.
Where were you?
Nitin, you come?
God
Hey,
knows,
yeah,
bro.
might as well, man. We're gonna die staying here.
Where are we
Kid, go
going?
sprint. Kid,
We're
my
going to
wife
power.
fucking
We're
after
going
me
to power.
again.
Kid,
Bro, he's
don't-
spawn camping.
Yeah, every
Why is
time
he
power
spawn
goes,
camping me?
every time power goes, he goes to the power car place.
Bro, fucker spawn camping me.
Is this gonna be like a sharp XD type thing where you just die constantly?
Possible.
Dude, he's actually spawn camping me.
Or
No.
if you respawn right where you died, so if he was there before, he's there that time only.
We're at base camp right now.
Okay, chop, lock in. We're
I'm
watching.
being on lookout on the left.
I'm on
Someone
the.
on the right.
I'm on the. I'm on the. You're on the right. I'm on the
I'm
right.
going up front, yeah.
Yeah.
Chop, you don't have
Which
all-
one of us are sacrificing?
Nobody's sacrificing. We'll all just run.
This is a good time to have Duke, yeah. Should have sacrificed him. Oh, yo.
Oh, he's here.
I think he's down. Chop.
Oh, shit. He didn't get power.
Yeah, shit.
I'm
You
going.
didn't get power?
I'm going back for power. I'm
No,
going
you
back.
killed me right when I was about to.
Abey,
I'm going back for power, but I think I'm gonna die.
sprinting, when you see him, it makes you sprint towards it.
What the hell? Why am I in a bear trap?
Bro, what place am I at?
Whose bear trap did I step in, bro?
7010.
Oh wait, we're back at base camp.
What?
Oh, I'm at base camp.
Oh, we should not be here. Let's figure fine.
Where the hell is base camp?
But what if we head here, somewhere around here? Okay.
Oh my
God.
god. Guys, he's at observation tower.
Yeah, no, let's not go to observation. Let's just go
Yeah,
somewhere
let's
else.
know.
I'm at base camp, whatever.
Oh wait,
Where
wait,
you-
wait.
where you-
Wait, like go inside the
Please,
building.
Come in the middle of the building.
I'm there.
Hey, what's good, man?
Wait, find the flare. Where is it?
I heard a flare go off somewhere here. I didn't
Yeah, I
see.
heard the heli as well, but where's the
Get
flare?
where's the shop?
Come, we'll find the flare and then.
Where's the flare, bro?
Oh no,
I-
bear.
I think the flare is near Drake's cave, approx.
Oh, I found it.
You found it, fam? Oh yeah, it's
Yeah,
here.
yeah. I found it. Wait,
Okay, I'm
listen.
gonna get
Somebody
it.
buy
I'm
a
gonna
somebody
find
buy a trap. Let's rate him. Okay, bro. If we get a rake trap, it'll be insane. We'll do the same thing.
Do we
that
have a
one
bear
had.
trap? Just
Bro,
put it like.
we'll put like the bear trap. here
Shop,
and then
open the door right now, right now.
We'll sacrifice somebody.
Duke, where's Duke? Hey,
No,
hey,
no,
buddy.
1 minute.
No, actually,
No.
leave the bear trap here.
Abey, Chop,
Bobby,
open
Chop,
the
open the
door.
bloody door. Chop, look at me.
Chop,
Don't do this.
It's not the right thing to do.
Chop, please,
The door
bro.
shut.
Close the door.
Yeah, oh
shut.
shit.
Can I hit him with
Keep
a
it
stone?
open.
Just hit him. Just give him
Are
one.
we keeping the door open?
No, shut it.
Yeah, keep
No,
your eye
I'll be
on, man.
open.
Keep it open
I'll be
now.
open.
Don't waste
Have you
power.
put a? Did you put a trap outside?
No, we
I don't
haven't.
know one.
We never bought a trap.
much
Don't
is
turn on the
that?
lights. He's attracted to lights.
Chop is actually baiting, bro.
Bro, he's gonna get us killed.
Bro, keep the lookout. Sometimes he sneaks also.
There's
Who
no
is this?
signal.
Who is this?
Bro,
Is that tall?
No, it's House of Homes, something like that.
House is a home too.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Okay, get him out, bro.
Abhi, Chop, don't. Chop.
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 Going away. You
Get
you
back
have the
in.
tracker.
You have
I'm
like
trying
one of the
to
most
go to a
important.
place where I can tell where he is.
Can you
We've
hold
got
What
the
did this guy
tracker.
just? What did this guy just?
hold the tracker, you nonce?
Hey, this guy also has a tracker.
How do you type on a radio?
100.
90. He's coming here.
Don't shut the door already.
Oh, he's coming. Are you mad? Shut it.
Shut your tracker. Chop, shut your. Oh, he's right outside. Chop, shut your tracker.
Baby, you gotta slap his ass. You gotta slap
Can I
his
slap
ass.
his face?
Guys, can I switch on the light?
Oh, he's here.
Oh my god. I don't want to waste the
Slap-
stun stick and
You
die
slap him
though.
through the door.
He's gonna break
when
down the
Drake-
roof. He's gonna break
Bro,
down the
when
roof.
Drake-
He's
when
breaking the
Drake
roof. He's
comes-
breaking the roof. He's
Yeah,
breaking the
I
roof.
know. Wait. Oh, wait, idiot, you jumped too early, man.
Oh.
Somebody else
Oh.
went. That house is a home.
He ran after y'all.
Abhi came after me and I don't have a stick or anything.
Where are you?
He ran towards Bandicamp. Even
Like
like Chuck went.
Chucky,
there.
I'm with Chucky, it's safe.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Oh, what's good, Vebu? They went the other way.
Hello.
They went to
Yeah,
Bandicamp.
so I just ran backwards and circled back.
Bo, we occupy this whole lobby. Only this house is a home. Is the random?
Hey,
And Carl.
Smurt and
No, Smart and Carl
left
dipped.
or-
Yeah,
Oh shit.
they were two peas in a pod, bro. I don't know what happened to them.
Two pods in a pea.
Pods. Abe, it's Duke now. Duke, we'll let you get sacrificed in there, buddy.
Faster, call Mihan, make sure he isn't asleep.
Run.
I'm dead. I shot him in the house.
Perfect.
What?
Perfect.
How?
Yeah.
He's trapped.
Oh
Wait,
yeah,
how
shit.
How is he supposed to get out now?
He's trapped. There's no way.
Wait,
Tell
no,
me
if you actually did that, he's
You're a genius. You're
I
actually.
shot him in the house.
You're actually a genius if you did
the
that.
power's out, he's just
We win.
Can Drake be hurt by the power?
what do you say, Chop?
How do I reach safe house from power?
Go like power's facing one direction, the front part.
Yeah.
Go to the front and turn left.
Oh, never mind, bro. What?
My god, he was
Okay, fair.
Did he come out?
Yeah, he just TP'd, I guess.
How? I shut the door.
How
No, run the other way.
Where is safe house? Kid, you know the red light place now.
Chop, do we just...
Shit, Nitin, you fool! You can't warn me or what?
I told you to run the other way. I literally said run the other way.
Oh, phone dash.
Hi. Isn't this power? I'm restoring power right now.
You're there?
Yeah.
You want anything? Wait, we also play Caliban.
Yeah, play Caliman, play Caliman.
Is power restored?
No,
Shit.
but it will be.
What's the time for the game? How much time is left?
4:44 minutes.
Your power's
Yeah,
back.
go. How much time?
4:44 minutes.
Shut up.
Hey.
Don't use the power anymore.
At the edge
What's
of
good?
the universe, humming a tune,
Oh shit, Ron.
or merely
Duke sacrifice, Duke sacrifice.
snow.
Hello, I'm sacrificing Pit.
Abbe, you've already died, you fool.
So Pit has just logged in.
A siren sound.
Oh, the trapdoor's broken.
He's like the goddess who promises endless apologies of
Uh-oh.
paradise. And only she can make it right.